quick. Let me fix my phone if I can. Okay. What's going on with my hair is that I have severe damage. My hair has been breaking because I bleached it, because, you know, this is 2020, people do their own hair and make mistakes. So that's what happened. I made an oopsie daisy, and, you know, now I have to deal with the consequences. Normally, anyone would be like, just cut it off, just cut off the damage, but, you know, I've always had short hair, and to be 100% honest, I don't want to cut my hair even though it's really damaged. I would much rather prefer to wait for it to grow at a certain length for me to cut off a lot of the, you know, damaged hair and still retain length. So these methods that I am going to show you, or rather not methods, but products that I'm going to show you, and a method in properly manipulating your hair when doing it, because if you're like me and you can't really walk around with, you know, your natural hair because it's so heat tamed that it looks damaged no matter what, then yeah, this is going to help you a lot. So real quick, what you want to do before I get into all the products, when it comes to manipulating your hair to, you know, minimize as much damage as possible when you are, you know, blow drying and straightening it, normally what I like to do is I will, you know, go section by section at a reasonable thickness and brush from the ends to the roots, you know, get all the knots out, and then go in and blow dry after you put in all the products that I'm about to explain. So yeah, part your hair in sections and then blow dry like that. Make sure you don't hear or feel any snags, because your hair will break because it is fragile. Yes, so go section by section, be slow and gentle. That's about it. Literally, patience is key and gentleness is key. Anyway, let's get to it. So, the products that I am using, number one, is a shampoo and conditioner set. Sorry, these are all bent because I squeeze my bottles hard. This is the Nexus Keraphix shampoo and conditioner with keratin, protein, and rice. Black rice. So honestly, this was extremely worth it. I don't know if you can see. My camera's crappy. I was using my boyfriend's phone, but you know, whatever. I can't transfer the videos from his phone to mine because it's whack. I don't know. So yeah, this is my saving grace. These two little bottles are a bit expensive, but I got them at Walmart, and surprisingly, there was a buy one get one 50% off that about. My phone keeps you know, what is it called, lagging because it's just so terrible. But yeah, you can find these at Walmart. They're a bit expensive, but they will definitely help you in restoring, you know, some sort of strength in your hair. So get this at Walmart and use it. After I've washed and conditioned my hair, I use this guy. Pardon the blur. It is by L'Oreal Elvive, or Alive, I don't know how you say it, and it's extraordinary oil. I put this in my hair when it's wet because my hair is extremely thick. Even though it is damaged, it's still thick as hell. So I have to use a lot of this stuff. Like I don't know, I pump like 12 pumps at a time, and it only gets like a chunk of my hair, you know, because like it absorbs everything because it's so dry and brittle and damaged. So this is also something that I use right out of the shower. I put this in my hair immediately. I put it everywhere scalp, length, ends, you name it. This is super moisturizing. This is my second step. Last but not least is my deep conditioner that I use, and that is castor oil. Yes, very simple. Castor oil. It's good for your hair and skin. It's mostly used for skin, but this works wonders for hair. And what I mean is, literally, my hair does not feel damaged. And my hair is drenched in this castor oil. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it's very oily. But it feels extremely strong, which is great. It's also good for, if you have folliculitis or dandruff. This gets rid of your dandruff. I don't have folliculitis, but I have terrible dandruff because I have what is called psoriasis. It's a skin condition, and basically you become a lizard person if you don't control it and moisturize. So that's what happens to me, and it happens to my scalp. But as you can see, or not, because the camera is so terribly detailed, that I don't have any dandruff, and I literally would shake my hair like this, or just do that, and literally it would be snowing if the sun was shining the right way. So those are the things that I do. This helps with split ends. It seals the hair down. It seals your ends down. This is great for heat. It's a heat protectant. I personally use heat all the time with my hair, so this is not only super conditioning, but it is ultra protective with heat and heat tools. So yeah, Nexus, get the Nexus shampoo, get the Elvive L'Oreal oil, extraordinary oils, and then get castor oil, because this guy is the superstar here, so yeah, and yeah, I mean, you should see a significant result in less breakage. Of course, use any product that you have as well. If it's for breakage, use that. But if you don't, and you're not really sure what to get because you're in a panic and you're looking over YouTube to figure out how do I fix my breaking hair, this is how I do it. I have low porosity hair. My hair is damaged AF. Like, I'll tell you the story another time of how I got to this terrible concoction of blonde and purple that is the result of bad dyeing and bleaching. But yeah, so far my hair seems to have recovered. So yeah, that was it. Luckily I've been able to film this entire time with little to no hiccups. So yeah, make sure if you found this helpful, comment if you have any other solutions that maybe I might not know about. Leave a comment. Also, before I exit here, I'm also doing a promotion. I am a new channel, and I'm doing this little promotion where my 1,000th subscriber will get a jewelry set that I will be making. I'm a jewelry maker in real life when I am not doing videos. So I make jewelry. My 1,000th subscriber will get a jewelry set of their choice. My website is www.quasarcollection.com, and here is a pair of earrings that I made. Very simple. My ears are stretched, don't worry. But yeah, if you are interested and want to be the 1,000th subscriber that wins a jewelry set for free, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And check it out. At the moment, there's not a whole lot, but as time goes on, there will be a lot more. So hopefully by the time I have 1,000 subscribers, there will be a load of things to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my new video.